Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Charge your Apple Watch above 50% and keep your iPhone close so Bluetooth stays active. Once done, update the iPhone to the latest iOS to avoid compatibility issues, then open the Watch app. Power on the watch, select your language, and tap Start Pairing. This initial pairing exchanges identification and security keys. It's the foundation for settings, watch faces, and display options to flow smoothly into the rest of the setup. Now you configure the watch display itself. In the Watch app and on the watch, pick a face and add complications that show the info you want at a glance. This reduces taps later. Next, adjust brightness, text size, and enable bold text if needed so readability matches your eyes. These changes affect battery trade-offs. Then set wake screen behavior. Choose wake on wrist raise or tap, and decide if always on is appropriate. This balances convenience versus power consumption. Finish by syncing apps and arranging the dock so the most used apps are one swipe away. This complements your display choices. Calibrate motion by following activity prompts and test display responsiveness and auto-lock timing to make sure the screen behaves predictably. If the display stays blank or acts erratically, force restart the watch first. Hold both buttons until the Apple logo appears. If problems persist, unpair and repair to reset display settings. That often resolves stubborn software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.